Peace. This is Ayrat, digital marketing specialist, also specialist in some other areas and enthusiast in even more areas. Connecting Google Analytics 4 with website is not that slow, is not that hard. Of course, if previous work was done. What is it? It's, in my example, as I will use Google Tag Manager, is Google Tag Manager container added into website or blogger.com aka blogspot.com account, as in my example. Google Analytics 4 account and property and data stream created and settings was made as they needed. I already made video about connecting Google Tag Manager into website in the example of blogger.com aka blogspot.com. You can find in this channel also series of videos about settings of GA4 account property and creating data stream and also make settings in it. You can also find in this channel. In my example, as I have Google Tag Manager connected into website, in my example it's blogger.com aka blogspot.com account, I need to add IDs into Google Tag Manager, GA4 IDs into Google Tag Manager or to connect. If I want to connect GA4 with my blogger.com aka blogspot.com account using Google Tag Manager, I need to have access to GA4 and Google Tag Manager in one Google account. In my case, I do have, and I will do just these things. In Google Tag Manager, go to my container. In the first step, I will do variables. I need to make tag to Google Analytics 4. But first I will do variables. For my Google Analytics ID, it's called measurement ID here. In variables, I choose user-defined variables, variable configuration. In this case, is just constant variable. And I give my, in value, I give my GA4 ID. It's called measurement ID if to be more correct. Go to Google Analytics 4. Go to admin page. In admin page, under property settings, I go to data streams, or I can go from left side, data collection and modification data streams. Same page. As I have only one data stream, it's the data stream I need. Go into it. And from these things, I need this one, measurement ID. Copy. Go to Google Tag Manager and insert value, Ctrl-V or right-click paste. And I need to give clear, understandable name. GA4 measurement ID, for example, will be clear for me. In your case, you do as it's clear for you. As I explained in video about variables, I need it in this case for what? If I will use it in Google Tag Manager, my measurement ID of my Google Analytics 4 property data stream, for not to go always to GA4 site, going to these data streams, going to this measurement ID, and so on. I just use it as a place where I saved it. For this variable to be completed, push save button. Now I can go to text. I want to create GA4 tag to connect my Google Analytics 4. In text, new button, tag configuration. In this case, as I want to make initial connection of my Google Analytics 4, I'm choosing the feature called Google Tag. Be attentive. As a trigger, initialization all pages. It's automatical and it's correct. It's where I want. In tag ID, I need to insert my measurement ID, which is in GA4. But as I made variable, I'm not going now to copy paste again and paste it here. I mean copy again and paste it here. I just can choose variable that was saved before. This one, GA4 measurement ID. No need to go to GA4 page to copy paste and so on. Just this. Of course, I need to give clear name. In my case, it's GA4. In your case, do as you need to understand. To it will be understandable. To it will be clear. And if you have special rules for naming, follow them. Now I can consider it's almost created. Push save button. Thank you for watching. Main video will continue after this insert. English is not my native. If you see something to correct me, welcome, but do it in a respectful and polite manner and with enough explanations and proof. Now, as I have GA4 tag, it's not already working because I need to submit it to publish it. But before that, I need to preview. I have made video about preview and submit publish theoretical video you can find in this channel. I want to do preview now, but I don't want to do submit for now. Don't want to publish for now because for that I want to also make insert. I'm going to make this first submit and publish after adding one more, another web analytics service. But I want to make preview and I will show now. Go to preview. In preview mode, Google Tag Assistant page opened. In this field, I need to insert my URL. It was already done by Google Tag Manager. Now I need to press connect button. I can see this pop up from Tag Assistant, and in Tag Assistant page, I push continue. I can see if my tag has worked. If it's in text file, that means that my tag is working. Here are steps that was while loading a window of my blog, of my blogspot.com. With this, I'm sure now that my Google Tag Manager tag is working. Also can check in Google Analytics 4 if it has sent data. Several ways. One of the ways is going to Home and looking into real-time data. It says 30 minutes. I consider it real-time data. Well, it was my visit through this checking previous ones. Also my visits I checked before capturing the video. In this step, it's all working. Now GA4 is almost connected. Just need to submit and publish. But I'm going to do it later. Also, you can see videos about it when I will do. Stay tuned. For now, I want to switch off my preview mode. For that, I go to my page with preview mode and in Tag Assistant pop-up, push finish. That's finished. Also, I can close Tag Assistant page. Thank you for watching. Make peace, make mutual wealth. Peace.